You say you guys didn't think I was gonna make it?
Well, yeah.
Hey, this cannot be laid down, right?
Get it?
They can? Okay, perfect.
This is the front, but there's no gas valve. Like if it was gas, then it'd be an issue. But
Okay. All right, thank you. You say you guys didn't think I was gonna make it?
Well, yeah, because we knew you had a long haul.
Yeah.
And
Nah.
yeah, honestly, we totally forgot about you. And we're like,
It's
we're
all
getting ready
good.
for a move.
Yeah, I know. They told me the other story.
So we were trying to get prepped and ready for tomorrow, and I was like, oh man, I gotta go lock the gate.
No,
So
I.
I pulled up and like, oh sweet.
Yeah, 429 on the dot.
Yeah,
Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
Stay safe. Enjoy the ride home.
Appreciate it. Thank you. How you doing? Dropping this off. Yeah. Yeah, it's for vlogging. Yeah, I'm right there, and oh, it's magnetic. Comes out.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
I might have to get one.
you should.
I do paranormal things on the weekend.
Oh, you do?
So for me, doing something like that where I can put on my shirt,
Yeah.
then I ain't got to carry something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, it's all in there.
'Cause I carry enough shit when I'm doing it. Let me see if one of these guys are moving. I think they're about to move. If so, I'll get you the back.
All right, sounds good.